might be wondering, since I had near-death experience and had access to all of those higher conscious knowledge, then why was I acting so ignorant? I would say that's a very valid question, and my response to that is, after my comeback, I was in a state of shock for a while and couldn't differentiate between third and higher dimension. I was acting very fearlessly, transparently, and would say things to others that made me look odd, crazy, or those information could scare them off. I would make decision or partner up with others and have only their interest and gain in mind. But anyhow, I could not remember some of the information, or I wasn't capable of applying it here on the planet Earth. Therefore, I made a detour from being lost to remembering.